Today we're going to talk about the National Water Quality Assessment Program, and part of a component of that is our agricultural chemical transport study. This is a study looking at the effects of agriculture on water quality at 7 different sites across the country. And today specifically though, we're going to be talking about an area in northwest Mississippi. Our Mississippi alluvial plain is commonly referred to as the Delta. And we're going to talk to some farmers, we're going to talk to some scientists, and we're going to take a little bit of a tour of the Delta. Heather, what part of the agricultural chemical transport study have you really found to be interesting?
I think it was more of a spin-off from that project. It was we started looking, or we were asked to see if we could use the data that we had collected to see if the Biofuels Initiative had any impact on water quality and quantity in the Mississippi Delta.
So what was the Biofuels Initiative?
Well, it was implemented by Congress in 2006, and it was to push, to make gasoline, use up to 15% of it needed to be ethanol. And in America, it's corn-based ethanol. And so we were able to see that between 2006 and 2007, there was a large conversion from cotton in the Delta. Over 450,000 acres were converted from cotton to corn the following year in 2007.
So what were the significant results from this study?
So the results were, we found that in that switch from 2006 to 2007, we increased, the loss of storage in the aquifer in the year 2007. We used more water than we would have used had it been in cotton like the year before. Also, we, using the Sparrow model, saw that we could be increasing the amount of nitrogen yield moving from the Yazoo River Basin into the Mississippi River and then on down to the Gulf of Mexico.
Thanks.